Making money online is a broad topic and there are many ways to achieve it. Here are some of the most popular and effective ways to earn money online. Freelancing. Offer your skills and services to clients around the world through websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer. You can offer services such as writing, graphic design, web development, virtual assistants, and more. Freelancing is a popular way to earn money online and offers a great deal of flexibility and freedom. Here is a step-by-step guide to making money through freelancing. Identify your skills and niche. To be successful in freelancing, it's important to have a specific set of skills that you can offer to clients. You can also specialize in a particular niche, such as writing, design, programming, or virtual assistants, to help you stand out from the crowd. Build a portfolio. Create a portfolio that showcases your work and demonstrates your skills to potential clients. You can include samples of your work, testimonials from past clients, and a description of your services. Sign up for freelancing platforms. Freelancing platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer provide a marketplace for freelancers to find clients and offer their services. Sign up for one or more platforms and create a profile that highlights your skills and experience. Bid for projects. Once you have signed up for a freelancing platform, you can start bidding for projects that match your skills. Make sure to read the project description carefully and tailor your proposal to the client's needs. Be professional, concise, and clearly explain what you can do for the client. Build a client base. Once you start getting projects, it's important to deliver high-quality work and build a strong relationship with your clients. This will help you get repeat business and positive reviews, which will make it easier to find new clients. Set your rates. Determine what you will charge for your services. Consider your experience, skills, and the time you will need to complete each project when setting your rates. Be competitive, but also remember that you want to earn a fair wage for your time and effort. Manage your finances. Make sure to keep track of your income and expenses, and set aside money for taxes. Many freelancers also set up a separate business account to keep their finances organized. Market yourself. Promote your services to potential clients through social media, networking, and word of mouth. Offer discounts or free samples to attract new clients and get your name out there. These are the basic steps for making money through freelancing. Remember that success in freelancing requires persistence, dedication, and a willingness to continuously improve your skills and services. Affiliate marketing. Promote other people's products and earn a commission for each sale you make. You can do this by creating a website or a YouTube channel and promoting products that are related to your niche. Affiliate marketing is a popular way to earn money online by promoting other people's products and earning a commission for each sale you make. Here is a step-by-step guide to making money through affiliate marketing. Choose a niche. The first step in affiliate marketing is to choose a niche or market that you are interested in and knowledgeable about. This will make it easier to find relevant products to promote and build an audience. Find affiliate programs. Many companies offer affiliate programs that allow you to promote their products and earn a commission for each sale. You can find affiliate programs by searching online or visiting websites like ShareASale, Commission Junction, and Amazon Associates. Sign up for affiliate programs. Once you have found affiliate programs that match your niche, sign up to become an affiliate. You will receive a unique affiliate link that you can use to promote the products. Create content. To promote your affiliate products, you will need to create content that reaches your target audience. This can include a blog, YouTube channel, podcast, or social media account. The key is to provide valuable information and engage with your audience so that they trust your recommendations. Integrate affiliate links. Once you have created your content, you can integrate your affiliate links into your posts, videos, and other content. Make sure to disclose that you are using affiliate links and avoid using them in a misleading way. Drive traffic. Drive traffic to your content through search engine optimization, SEO, social media marketing, and other online marketing techniques. The more traffic you can generate, the more sales you will be able to make. Monitor your results. Keep track of your results, including how many clicks your affiliate links are getting and how many sales you are making. This will help you to optimize your strategies and increase your earnings over time. Get paid. Most affiliate programs will pay you either on a per-sale basis or a percentage of the total sale. Make sure to understand the payment terms and conditions of each program you join. These are the basic steps for making money through affiliate marketing. Remember that success in affiliate marketing requires hard work, dedication, and a willingness to continuously learn and improve your skills. Online tutoring. Share your knowledge and expertise with others by becoming an online tutor. You can offer one-on-one tutoring sessions or create and sell courses on platforms like Udemy. Selling products online. Start your own e-commerce store or sell products on existing marketplaces like Amazon, Etsy, or eBay. You can sell physical or digital products, such as handmade items, printables, or stock photos. Dropshipping, a business model where you partner with a supplier who holds the inventory and ships the products directly to your customers. You handle the marketing and sales, while the supplier takes care of the rest. Content creation. Create and monetize content in various forms, such as blogging, vlogging, podcasting, and creating graphics. You can monetize your content through advertising, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Online surveys and market research. Participate in online surveys and market research studies to earn money. There are many websites that offer rewards for completing surveys, such as Survey Junkie, Swagbucks, and Inbox Dollars. Cryptocurrency trading. Buy and sell cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin to make a profit. This can be a lucrative option, but it's also risky and requires a lot of research and knowledge. These are just a few of the many ways you can earn money online. Whichever option you choose, it's important to be consistent, persistent, and always keep learning and growing in your chosen field.